How to fulfill a TikTok shop order the right way. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to open up your TikTok shop. Then right under the home section, you would be able to find the option of orders on the left hand side panel. Simply click on orders, then select the option of manage orders. There, you would be able to check out all the details related to your orders, like the cancelled orders, the current orders, the orders that you have already shipped. So among that, you would be able to find your current orders that you need to ship, and right beside these orders, you would be able to find out a print label option. So you have to print that particular label and paste it on the product that you are going to ship to the customer. Now, when you click on the option of order number, you would be able to check out all the details related to that particular order, like who ordered it, the amount of it, and the amount of money that you will be making, and the address of that particular customer. All sort of details related to that particular order will be shown over there. Now, whenever you will click on this option of print label, the words that are shown to your customer will change from awaiting process to carry or pick up. And this way, you would have to select any of your shipping method like UPS, FedEx, or any of the shipping method. And this way, you would be able to ship that particular product to your customer. And this way, the status of that particular product will be changing according to the process it is in. And this is how you would be able to process that particular product from your door to the customer's door, and you would be able to make the sale. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.